Welcome back to my channel, everyone. Today I'm here at Roaring Forks, which I have been here before and done some video taping, but today I'm here with my special guest, Dan the Mountain Man. He has a channel about cooking and hiking and all sorts of different things, so be sure to check out his channel and watch a video and leave a comment and tell him you found him through New Horizons. On my channel, it's all about finding handicap accessible or just inspiring you to get out, enjoy life, and have some fun and relax. And feel free to join my PayPal account and leave a donation where 100% goes to help a disabled person in need. We have successfully been able to help several people so far. And I like to continue to be able to help and raise it. All due to you and your donations. I appreciate it and they appreciate it. So let's get started with this video and have some fun and relax. Let's get started. Well, hello everybody. Look who I'm with. Dan the Mountain Man. And I'll leave a link to his channel in the description. Dan does cooking videos. They'll make you hungry and want more. We're here today at the Roaring Forks Motor Trail. It's located up here in the Smoky Mountains, and we're checking out all the cabins and exploring and having some fun. So I want you to check out Dan's channel. And be sure to watch his videos and leave those comments. He'll appreciate it and it'll help him out. So let's get started and exploring all the beautiful cabins here in the Roaring Forks. This is the Jim Bales cabin. And look who's joining me, Miss Abby. Did you get wet from that rain, Abby? Don't fall in the hole. The Jim Bales cabin is located at the Roaring Forks. Abby said, "That's it. I'm ready to go out." Today I'm here with Dan the Mountain Man. We're doing some videotaping together. And if you see trash in this national park, please pick it up. And don't dump your own trash in here. Let's take care of our parks and our nature. Thank you. And these are things that you should never do to a building, a historical place. These places here in the national park belong to people in America. Defacing them is so wrong. I always say you don't want somebody coming to your house and doing this to your stuff, so don't do it to anybody else's. There is fines for doing this if you're caught. But you can't look at any wall in here or anything up on the ceiling without seeing this. Some are bigger than others. The writing. It's just not right. guess the only reason they didn't do it up there is because they can't reach it. Maybe that's why the ladder no longer is here. There was a ladder, I believe, at one point. So you can go up there and look around up in there. You can also rent ATVs here in Gatlinburg and Pigeon Forge area to ride out through the mountains and enjoy, along with the pitching tours. And there's so many different ways to have access to enjoy the Great Smoky Mountains. Oh, this is not a handicapped trail. As you see, I've done this videotaped this place before, but I really didn't explain a lot. I want to show you. See, I wear braces on both feet, and I can walk around certain places in here as long as I have a cane. And then sometimes I could do it without the cane. But this is, you know, like I've said before, it's not a wheelchair or a scooter or a walker or any type of aid like that. You couldn't do that. I just enjoy coming back in here. And today, as I said, I'm here with Dan the Mountain Man. He's from North Carolina, over here visiting, and we're doing some videotaping together. He's like me. He enjoys the Great Smoky Mountains. It's the most visited national park in the United States, and it's free. I'm going to show you all the structure here. Look at these rocks. They stacked them up and held their houses up by rocks. Just big old creek rocks. But this is one of the most modern looking homes here in the Roaring Forks. This is the Reagan place. Let's see what we can see in here. I mean, this was an unusual color, I would have thought, back in the day. Your fireplace. Let's go back in here. This is like an add-on room. It's probably where they came in from their farming and everything and took their shoes off. Down here. Whoop, we got a wasp nest. And check this cabinet out. This was very modern back then. Ooh. Better watch opening up stuff in here. Another place where people continue to write all over the walls. There is an attic up there, but you can't get to it. Now, once you sit back Use your imagination and just picture children out here playing. The mother got her clothes hung up on a clothesline. Dad's out working in the fields. Or mom could be churning that butter. Or cooking something over that fireplace. But every time I come back and look at one of these cabins, I sit back, use my imagination, and thinking what was it like back then? Can you imagine the father coming in from working out in the field or coming in from hunting? These are the things I think about. You let your imagination, you just explore with it. You can hear the water running through the creek, making little waterfalls. Then when I look here at this tree, can you imagine them chopping one of these trees down, taking it in the house, popping the popcorn, stringing it on the tree, or cranberries? These are the things I think about. This is the part of living here that I enjoy. We don't do all those tourist things, the roller coasters, hang gliding and all that stuff. This is what we enjoy. The Great Smoky Mountains National Park. Well, I hope everybody enjoyed that video. And being here with my friend, Dan the Mountain Man. So be sure to go over and check out his channel and let him know you found him through New Horizons. So I'll see you all later in the next video.